Welcome to the Tip TV Health Show. Let's talk to Dr Charlie from Harley, a man who's got more letters after his name than in his name. Dr Charlie, very good morning to you.
Morning to you, mate.
Let's talk about what's trending, okay? I've seen a couple of statistics this week that I love a statistic. First one, that's 37 celebrity stars have passed away this year, which I found extraordinary. And the second statistic I saw, that in Chile, they're suggesting that you had 3 beers a day, not 1. Is this a good reason to move to Chile?
Okay.
They're my 2 thoughts.
Okay, yeah, let's start with Chile first. I think the problem with national government is that every national government is going to give different advice about alcohol or drugs, etc., etc. By our standards, the Chilean advice is way too much. Now, why they've done that, why they've said that, I don't know. It's very interesting that you look at something like South Africa, and at one point they had a health minister who had an alcohol problem. So if the health minister has an alcohol problem, you can imagine maybe their policies wouldn't be that great. So not that I'm casting any aspersions on the current Chilean health ministry or anything like that, but I think that given the international interest in this, they probably will revise it downwards.
Right. Celebrities passing away, dreadful. Saw Prince passed away. There's nobody knows exactly why, but it's all drugs and sleep deprivation amongst other things.
Yeah, and sleep seems to come up a lot. So Elvis had huge sleep problems before he died, and he was taking, pills to wake him up, pills to try and help him sleep. And I'm a great Elvis fan, by the way. And there was an incredibly sad note that a maid found in Elvis's room shortly before he died, and if we've got time I'd read it out to you. But he was extremely lonely and not being able to sleep and saying that he didn't need all of this. So that was Elvis, and then we've heard that Prince was maybe up for a very long time.
160 hours or
which
something.
Is crazy, and the body can't really take that. It's too much stress, as you would know.
Right.
Now the question is, why is someone like Prince not able to sleep? Is it because of the mental activity? Is it because of the physical pain? Now apparently he did have forms of arthritis of his hips and other areas. Some say it was because he used to jump onto the stage and all of that.
Okay.
But one of the rumours is that he was offered surgery, hip surgery, but because he's a Jehovah's Witness, he refused the surgery because he couldn't take the blood that you would need if you had the hip operation.
Right.
So whether that's true or not, there's a man who can't sleep, maybe because of pain, maybe because of mental activity. None of that is doing the body or the heart any good, and frankly, it's not surprising that he might die at that age that he died. And of course we come back to Jacko, Michael Jackson as well. Similar story. I mean, who needs an anesthetic level of a drug to get to sleep? I mean, that's incredibly sad.